Imagine yourself in this 2007 Toyota Camry Stay. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include knee airbag, aluminum wheels, rear head airbag, power driver's seat, remote trunk release, passenger airbag sensor, cruise control, and passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.